All right, we're going to go over how to do a purchase order in Build Tools. Go ahead and open up Build Tools. Specifically, we're talking about this job, and we are going to go to the bids. And for this one, we're talking about remediation, which actually, ironically, is the first one. So go ahead and open it up, and we're going to actually choose, the company is Tyson Service Corporation, and we are going to go ahead and sometimes you'll have multiple bids in here, so this is what we want to do to make sure. It could be 3, 4, there could be a bunch of revisions. So we're going to put approved, all capital letters, and we're going to add this. Or if you could change it here, actually, you know what we're going to do? We're going to go ahead and delete this one. And where are you? We're going to go to approved right here. And we're going to go ahead and save that. And that's because, there could be multiple, like I was saying. You could ask for revisions, and we keep all of our bid packages in here no matter what. So even if there is a revision, we want to keep it for historical data. No idea where it just went. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is click the PO, and you're going to click selected. It's just a quick 2-step process. And if you have any description in here, that should be fine. You're going to make sure that you have the approved one right here. And this is actually quantity each. And this is automatically going to go to the subcontractor, save and send. And when they receive this, then they know that the contract has been approved. And then the last step you're going to do is add it to your budget right here, send to budget. I do not know why they have 2 buttons here, but you can send to the budget, just to each, and go ahead and send it. And you're always going to hit replace all, unless you're adding to an existing, but for this case, it's just going to be replace all. And then what happens is, I guess twofold. Number one, when we go to budget, and we have remediation over here. We have the budget was $38.40, and we sent POs. Actually, there's been 2 sent, but what we're seeing here is a negative, which means we're over budget for some reason. And we can also find these. I'll have to look into that because I'm not really sure how that's possible. But the next thing is over here in your purchase orders, then we can confirm, like for example, when we're paying invoices, we can confirm that the purchase order was confirmed for $38.40, and then when an invoice comes in, it should be $38.40. If it doesn't come in $38.40, let's just say it comes in at $5,000, well, that's when we would stop the process and try to understand why it was wrong. If the purchase order is for $38.40 and our invoice is for $38.40, we should have a 0 differential, and therefore the invoice should be paid. And I'm going to go ahead and delete this, which if you make a mistake, you can highlight, and I think this is not going to allow me to. Yeah. You have to go in and turn it to a draft, and go back to a draft, save, and then you can delete it. So that's how you do a purchase order, and those all tie to our accounting system. Let me know if you have any questions. So I was looking at why we sent the purchase order before. This site remediation was actually a previous, it was actually a survey. So that's the reason why it was equal to more than our budget. We actually need to go into accounting software and update the budget. So that's how you do a PO. Let me know if you have any questions.